Did she really come? All right, did this woman actually have the big O with you, or was she just pretending? Here's the thing, you can always tell with our body. And I know through porn, you've been conditioned to think it's the noise, but that's when women really fake it, is with the sound. Here's the thing, it's not the most elegant looking experience. You're gonna see some like jolting, and it's not gonna look pretty. It's not gonna be like what you see in the movie or porn where it's like, my dress is obviously cooperating with me. It's not like oh, it's so good. No, it's like an exorcism. It's like, the head starts tilting, the hips start jolting, the hands start locking. That's when you know. If she's like grabbing you by the hair, if the hands are locking, she's grabbing onto the sheet, she's grabbing onto the pillow. These are the real signs that she is getting her big O. So the body is gonna give it away every time. That's why it's so important that you pay attention to a woman's body, because her body will tell you if it's sincere. So if it looks very orchestrated, if it's like feels a little too played out, chances are you're right. Hello, you have an intuition too. You can feel when she's really into it and when she's not. And you can always take it up a notch. You can always make a woman squirt. I do suggest when you do that you do put down a nice towel, and I talk about that in my squirting experience. It's in the comment sections in the description. But if you want to give her that like novelty orgasm where she loses complete control, we also talk about that in the program. Or if you want the whole kit and caboodle, the whole orgasm experience, then get my Mastering Oral. It's the oral obsession package. It has squirting in there, it has tongue magic, it has fingering in there, it has a real talk where we talk about what really happens with a woman's body, even gives you some proper things that you should do with your hands before you start fingering a woman. It's on a huge package, including the squirting. It's in the comment section, it's in the description. But here's the thing, orgasms is all about one thing and one thing alone for a woman, and that is losing control. Here's the other thing, there is going to be moisture in between her legs. And the other part of the body is when you're inside of her, you will feel those vaginal walls like a freaking cobra around your cock going. You're like, I'm supposed to be the cobra. And she's like, no, motherfucker, I'm the cobra. You'll feel those vaginal walls tightening around your penis. So the body's gonna start convulsing. The vagina's obviously gonna start getting a little bit wet, and you're gonna feel her tightening. Will she make noises? Of course she will. Depends on the type of orgasm you're giving her, but she's going to make some form of noises. But if you don't see that body convulsing, then you don't stop putting it down on her. You help her get that O, and you tell her you're committed to getting that big O. In the comment section, I want you to say committed, because that's what you're gonna need to be if you want her to get that big O. Don't forget to subscribe. And now here's a video about the 3 secrets about female squirting that nobody's talking about, but we're gonna talk about it, and we're gonna talk about it right here. Go and watch that. New videos coming out Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. I'll see you there. Bye.